Hi, Devin. What do you got today?
We are working on a 2010 Dodge Ram crank no start. Sometimes these crank no start can be a difficult thing, or it can be a really easy one to diagnose. You have to remember the basics: fuel, compression, and spark. Which one of those three can you eliminate first? What I'm thinking that we have here is a no fuel issue. What I'm gonna do, line in that bucket, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give it a crank. So we got no fuel. But next step to diagnose our no fuel issue is I'm gonna look at the wiring diagram and see what we got going on for how this car's got it set up. There's two possibilities. Either we have a broken wire in between the connector that we already checked, or we have a bad ground. So that's how I'm gonna eliminate that right now. Great, so now we're looking at 14 volts. When we're actuated on, that means that we have a power and ground at our fuel pump. But there's kind of one more thing that you want to make sure of. You can have 14 volts through one small strand of wire. It doesn't push enough amperage through that wire to actually activate the fuel pump. If this thing lights up nice and bright, that means we have load tested our circuit, and that's load testing our ground and our power side. So that will tell us we have a good ground to that connector and we have good power.
That's bright.
That's nice and bright.
So that's okay.
That's okay. We're gonna put a new fuel pump in this thing, and I'm sure it's gonna get running upright and good.